I'm Nathan Klein. I am newly named litigation partner at Tyler Bursch. I've been here for 5.5 years. Started out as a law clerk right after law school. I have lived in Southern California since my high school years. I was born in Minnesota, grew up in Texas, Ohio, Kentucky, lived all over the country. I went to Cal State University Fullerton for undergrad, and then I went to the University of Kentucky for law school. I'm married. I have 3 little boys, currently 3 and under, so it's quite we're pretty busy at home. So but yeah, it's fun. I love my family. They're my favorite people to hang out with. And then I have a lot of family in the area, a lot of siblings, my parents, my in-laws are all in the area. So it's a great area to be practicing law and to be living life here in Southern California. My areas of practice are employment law, real estate law, business disputes, and then a lot of advisory work for churches and schools in regards to their employment practices. So most of my practice is actually in litigation. So usually if you're coming to me, you're in a lawsuit. So at some points it's a little hard to say, well, how can I avoid this issue? Well, we're kind of beyond that because the facts have already arisen, and then I'm there defending you in court, helping you work out a resolution with the other side. That's where most of my practice is devoted to. On the employment advisory side, I think the main issue that we come across with, especially with churches and schools, is they view their work as a ministry without understanding that it is also a business. And even though it's a ministry and you're working with a lot of like-minded people, there are still dozens and really hundreds of employment laws that you need to be complying with. And in California, it's incredibly easy to overlook all of those issues. So one of the things I would recommend is you get your employment handbook policies in place. They'll really help you kind of navigate, making sure you're crossing all your T's and dotting all your I's and treating your employees and making sure that they're following the laws and they're getting the breaks and the benefits that they're entitled to under California law. So if you want to get started with us, you can always visit our website. It's www.tylerbursch.com. You can submit a form through our website. You can email us at info@tylerbursch.com. Usually it'll get routed to one of our staff members who will then reach out to one of the appropriate attorneys in the office. They'll set up a consultation. We'll sit down with you for an hour, hour and a half, however long it takes to kind of sort out what exactly is your issue. Is it something that we can help out with, and even try and develop a game plan moving forward on if it's right for you to hire the firm to represent you and make sure that we're a good fit for each other.